there, welcome back. This video is just to show you the next stage where we're up to after the chimney repair. So this part of the project is all about preparing the hearth and the fireplace. So as you can see, we've got a plastic cage set up here in the hallway. Purpose of that is just to contain the dust, because there's a lot of dust and certain. So it's just to keep the cleaning down to a minimum, hopefully. So what we're going to do, that's the old wooden mantelpiece that was removed. Got another job for that. It's going into one of our other properties. So this is the project. This is the log burner we're going to fit. It's a Burley stove. It's a Burley Icarus. So I'll take you around to where I'm demolishing the place. So, just got to move a few things. That's better. Right, so as you can see, this is the old fireplace. And that's the floor, or was the floor. So what we've done, originally this was all sort of blocked off down to about this level here. So what we did, we opened it all up and got rid of all the plaster that was on the wall, and we discovered all this stone, which, you know, it's too good to hide away. So I'll climb a bit further in so I can show you better. So what we've done, we've cleaned off all the old plaster off the back of the fireplace and the two sides, and then we discovered this lintel sort of stone here. It was too good to hide it away again, so we discovered also that this stone, that's a replacement, and same at this side. That's because the ones that were there were all broken up and uneven and not really doing a lot of good. So to make it look better, we cut these, and they're sort of fitted now, but they just want all the joints, they all want pointing up, little holes to fill in, just to make it a real neat, tidy job. And also these edges, I'm just going to tidy them up, but leave as much stone as I can. So what we've done, we had to dig the, I'll just move again so I can show you. We dug the floor up so that I could fit an air supply pipe, and that's going to be below the hearth. That's, you see the floorboard there. Now this air pipe is well below the joists, and it's all going to be buried, and then it'll come out at the back of the log burn, and just, if we need to, we can just open it up and let an air supply feed the fire. And the idea is, at the moment it wouldn't have needed one, but as we're making the house more draft proof by fitting double glazed windows and just generally improving it, it probably would starve it of air. So we've put the supply in, and what I've used is the offcut from the chimney liner, and it's a 5-inch diameter. So the theory is you've got a 5-inch pipe supplying air, and then a 5-inch flue to take out the smoke, etc. So I'm just going to move this light which I've got. So I'm going to pop it in the fireplace. It's so I can show you the top of the there we go. So that's the, we're looking at the chimney now, and that's the line, and that's cut to the right length now, and that'll just go. I've got the register plate, or some people call it the closure plate, just to cut and fit. That's not a problem. And I'll just show you these pipes. That's the adapter, and that'll fit on the bottom of the, I'll just hold it there, that'll fit on the bottom of the flue pipe. That'll come, that bit there where my thumb is, that'll come through the enclosure plate and then into just show you these two as well. These are that's the flue pipe. It's just I've got to cut one end off, and then that bit will slide within this part, a telescopic line there, which will just make the whole thing easy to assemble. So I think that's about it really. Not a lot to show at the moment. This is all going to get where the camera's looking at now. You can see I'll just move that light again. There we go, that's a bit better. What I did, I just put this air pipe in, and it just goes, just got to move again. So you can see it just goes under the floor, and I just put some mortar there and a few stones just to anchor it in position. And at that end I just put a dollop of concrete over it. And that woodwork there, that's just to hold it in the right position when I come to concrete it all in. So hopefully that'll look, I'll bring the light down again. There we go. See it a bit better now. Hopefully that'll look really smart when it's done, and the new floor going to fit red quarry tiles for the burner to sit on. Hopefully that should give quite a nice effect. So I think that's all there is to mention at this stage. The next film, hopefully the log burner will be fitted and hopefully running. So I'll be able to show you the finished job and all this cage that's around me. That'll all have gone, and then we'll have a quick trip onto the roof as well, and I'll show you the finished chimney stack. Just because I didn't film that for you before. So that's it for now then. You take care, and I'll see you again soon. It won't be for a while because I've got some other work to do. I've got a vehicle that wants an MOT, but it wants some work doing first. So it's just one of those things, and another distraction. Alright then, take care, see you soon.